Every technological advancement leads the transformation of its era. Every collision of ideas stems from the exploration and imagination of a better future. What will an intelligent and digital future look like? The factory lights are off, yet machines keep humming. In busy offices, digital employees work efficiently across every position. In the digital world of the future, Digiwin is here to guide you. Founded in 1982, under the Intelligent Plus strategic layout, Digiwin has continuously focused on over 80 manufacturing sub-industries. We aim to innovate productivity through data and intelligent technologies, helping enterprises navigate cycles and connect to the future. In 2014, Digiwin was listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange. Today, we have 58 subsidiaries and branch offices worldwide, serving over 50,000 global customers. With over 40 years of accumulated industrial knowledge, Digiwin leads in industrial software. We provide comprehensive solutions covering full operation scenario for manufacturing enterprises, digital management software, deep integration of business processes, accelerates management upgrades, creating intelligent core platforms for enterprise operations, production control software, enhances workshop integration and production efficiency, offering full chain intelligent management for scheduling, production, equipment, and quality control. R&D and design software, leading domestic alternatives to support innovation and efficiency, enabling intelligent enterprise R&D scenarios. AIoT solutions, integrating hardware and software with precise layouts, creating IoT-enabled, low-carbon, intelligent, and digitally driven manufacturing scenarios. Through long-term expertise, Digiwin has accumulated deep industry experience, helping enterprises across sectors achieve success through innovative productivity. Amid the surge of artificial intelligence, Digiwin entered the AI field in 2019 and subsequently launched the Athena PaaS platform. Driven by data and generative AI, it empowers intelligent and innovative enterprise operations. Athena has integrated leading AI models such as ChatGPT, Doubao, Tongyi Qianwen, Wenxin Yan, and DeepSeek, accelerating AI capability deployment and enabling intelligent application across multiple scenarios. In 2024, Digiwin Software officially rebranded as Digiwin, offering clients and partners more comprehensive and platform-based services. In recent years, Digiwin has expanded its digital platform capabilities to smart industrial parks, promoting deep integration of technological innovation and industrial ecosystems. With profound industry insights, Digiwin has also invested outstanding companies across multiple fields, collaborating with partners through diverse products and services. Building momentum and continuously innovating, Digiwin has garnered numerous honors, with our products and services consistently recognized through AI application practices and achievements. Athena has received authoritative recognition across multiple fields. Meanwhile, Digiwin helps enterprises achieve green manufacturing and energy efficiency, enhancing resource utilization and promoting harmony with the environment. As a global group, Digiwin upholds ESG principles and sustainable development goals. In the Wind A-Share ESG rating, Digiwin received an AA rating. Digiwin values employee equality and diversity, offering comprehensive training and promotion pathways, encouraging internal innovation and entrepreneurship, and uniting global employees for shared growth. In the dazzling canvas of the digital world, Digiwin harnesses intelligent technology as its engine, data as its fuel, to realize a vision where more people work smart and enjoy life. The journey of innovation is no longer solitary. We look forward to creating infinite possibilities with you. Digiwin turns imagination into reality through intelligence and digitalization.